Hello everyone and welcome to Canva Beginners to Advanced tutorial. Today is our introduction class, and in this class you'll be knowing what you're going to learn in this whole course. So let's go and see what are those. The first one is overview and reach of Canva. Navigating the Canva web interface. Editor panel. Crafting social media posts with Canva. Harnessing Canva Magic Grab. Editing and removing objects. Elevating your photos with the Canva Magic Expand. Effortlessly removing backgrounds in Canva. Canva Magic Eraser. Generating QR codes using Canva. Hyperlinks in Canva Designs. Designing tour company flyers with Canva. Creating inspirational quotes post in Canva. Crafting personalized wedding invitation in Canva. Crafting engaging blog post feature images in Canva. Designing e-commerce ads for web and social media with Canva. Making animated video titles in Canva. Crafting animated CTAs using Canva. Crafting animated lower thirds for videos in Canva. Crafting animated video intros in Canva. Designing animated Instagram stories in Canva. Creating professional YouTube thumbnails in Canva. Creating polished LinkedIn portraits using Canva. Creating simple mobile animation video in Canva. Creating Canva templates. Website design using Canva. So this all are the topics you will be learning in this particular course. I hope you will be helpful after learning this course. So we'll meet in the next class and we'll start our course. Thank you everyone.